Hey everybody, welcome back to Hello Dev World. My name is Rachel and today is day 6 of the 365-day coding challenge. If you don't know what that is, every day of 2021, I post a challenge in the morning on my blog, and then I post a solution also on my blog and on YouTube to that challenge later in the day. If you would like to get those emails in the morning with the challenge, I'm going to put a link in the description down below. Go ahead and subscribe and you'll get those challenges in the morning. If you're watching this video, you're probably one of those wonderful freshly mowed grass green devs. You just started your first project, maybe it's your first JavaScript project, and all of a sudden you're told to truncate a string and you're like, my trunk ate what? Don't worry, all it is making a string smaller than it is. It's very easy and I'm gonna walk you through how to do that now. So let's hop over to the computer and let's get started. So today we're going to use some JavaScript to truncate a string. And you can see up here, I've added a comment about what we're going to do. We're going to create a function that accepts a string and a number. The function must return the given string truncated to the maximum length, which is the number that's passed in, followed by ... If the string is shorter than the passed maximum length, return the passed string. So let's write out what we need to do. To the index of the limit that was passed in, and then append the ... All right, so let's get coding. And then we're gonna check if string.length, and this is how we check the number of indexes in a string. So this will give you the length of the string in characters. If that is greater than limit, which is this second parameter that was passed in, and it's gonna be a number. And if it is, we're going to grab that string.substring 0 to limit. If you aren't familiar with this, all that it's doing is taking the index from 0 to the limit that was passed in and grabbing all of the characters within those limits. If you wanted to only grab the second to the fourth index for whatever reason, it would be 2, 4. If you want to learn more about this, I'm going to post a link in the description down below. Else, we're going to return the string. And that's it. If we paste in our test cases and we run this, and I forgot to return here. I also forgot to add the ... at the end. And let's clear this and run this again. And there we go. Now we get what we're expecting. If you wanted to clean this up a little bit, you could do two things. You could do string equals here, get rid of this else. While I'm typing this out, go ahead and smash that like button and make sure that you click subscribe and that bell notification so you don't miss any of the challenges for the rest of the year. And then return the string here, clear this and run that. That works. You could also use ternaries. And if you don't know what those are, I'll put a link in the description down below. But basically it's a different syntax for an if-else statement. So we can return, and we're going to get rid of this if. We don't need this anymore. And this is just going to return this if-else statement. So what this is saying is if that length is greater than the limit, do this, otherwise do this. And then if you want to be a little extra fancy, you can use template literals instead of that plus ... which is actually coding standard nowadays. So you put your backticks up here, get rid of this plus, get rid of these quotes, and put these in brackets, and there you go. There are a lot of different solutions for this. There are a lot of longer solutions, but that doesn't necessarily make them wrong. This is just a couple of the different solutions that I would personally write that follow proper coding practices. So I hope you learned something today. Thanks for doing this challenge. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the challenges for the rest of the year, and I'll see you tomorrow.